Hello everyone, we are from True Maths and in this video we are going to solve part 5th and part 6th of question number 3rd. And in these you have to simplify these expressions. So let's start with this 5th part. First of all, you have to simplify this expression, then this is plus, and then you have to simplify this expression. And because there is a bracket, and first of all you have to open the bracket. There are two terms. Terms can be differentiated by the number of signs that expression has. Here, this is the first sign, and there is a sign before this x, which is considered plus. If no sign is mentioned there, then it is considered plus. So there are two terms. Here also there are two terms. So if you want to open this bracket, what you have to do is you have to multiply this x with both the terms. Similarly, you have to multiply this y with both the terms. So let's start. X when multiplied by 2x will be 2x square, because we know that x is multiplied by x if the base is same, and if two variables are multiplied, then their power gets added, and if nothing is written, the power is considered 1. So it will become x square. Similarly, x when multiplied by y, it will give xy, because these are unlike terms, so it cannot be multiplied. It can be written as xy. Now you have to multiply y with 2x, so it will 2xy. Now you have to multiply y with y, so again y multiplied by y will give y square. This is when we multiply these expressions. Now similarly, if I have to solve this, again first of all I have to open the bracket, and for opening the bracket what you need to do is you have to multiply this x with both the terms. Similarly, you have to multiply this 2y with both the terms. So x multiplied by x again will give x square. X multiplied by y will give minus xy, because there is a sign plus minus when multiplied, the sign is of negative. This is 2y multiplied by x will be 2xy, and 2y when multiplied by y will give 2y square with negative sign, because there is a negative sign with y. Now you have to solve this expression, and we know that in algebra only like terms can be solved. And what are like terms? Like terms are basically those terms where the variable part is same. Means if I consider this as first term, here the variable is x square. So if I have to find the like term for this expression, that is this x square, because here also the variable part which is x square, and here also which is x square is same. It doesn't matter if the constant part is same or different. You have to match the variable part. So these are like terms. These can be solved with each other, and plus is plus. So 2x square plus 1x square will give 3x square. Similarly, this is xy, this is xy, this is xy, and this is xy. So all these four terms are like terms. So this is plus xy, this is minus x square. So these two can be cancelled, plus minus can be cancelled. This is plus 2xy, this is also plus 2xy. So this will give us 4xy. Now y square and y square are like terms, so plus minus is minus. So 2 minus 1 is y square, and the sign will be of negative because greater value has negative sign. So this will be the answer, because these expressions cannot be solved further because there is no like term in these expressions. Now similarly, if you want to solve this question, again first of all you have to open the bracket, and for opening the bracket there are two terms and there are three terms. So you have to multiply this x with all three terms, and after that you have to multiply this y with all three terms to solve this expression. Now let's multiply x with this first term. So x multiplied by x square will give x cube. Again I have already discussed that x multiplied by when x square, base is same, the power will get added. So if nothing is written, it is considered 1. So 1 plus 2 will give us x raised to power 3. Now x when multiplied by xy, so x multiplied by x will give x square and y. Now x multiplied by y square will give xy square. Now x has been multiplied with all the terms. Now you have to multiply this y with all the terms. So y multiplied by x square will give yx square. Y multiplied by minus xy will give y multiplied by y will give y square with x, and y multiplied by y square will give y cube. Again base are same, so the power will get added. So 2 plus 1 will give us y raised to power 3, or you can say y cube. Now again, if you have to solve this further, you have to first of all find out the like terms. So the first term is x cube, so there is no like term to this x cube. Now the second term is x square y, so here also it is x square y, and this is plus, this is minus, so these two can be cancelled out. It does not make any difference if I write x square multiplied by y or a y multiplied by x square. Both are same thing, because if I am saying that 3 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 3, both will give same results. So this won't make any difference. Now this is the second xy square. Here also it is xy square, plus minus can be cancelled out, and the second and the last term, which is y cube, will remain, and this will be the answer for this sixth part. So this is how you can solve these parts. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact to us. The phone number, the email address and the WhatsApp number is given below in the description. Thank you.